The Demon core was a 6.2 kilogram sphere of plutonium-239, about 3.5 inches in diameter, roughly the size of a softball. Created in 1945 at Los Alamos, New Mexico, it was intended for use in a third atomic bomb during World War II. But after Japan surrendered, the core was kept for research. Plutonium-239 is highly radioactive and can sustain a nuclear chain reaction. The Demon core was subcritical, meaning it couldn't go supercritical or explode on its own. But it was dangerously close to that threshold. Scientists used it to study criticality, the point where a nuclear reaction becomes self-sustaining. The first accident. On August 21, 1945, physicist Harry Daghlian was working alone in the Los Alamos lab, conducting a criticality experiment. He was stacking tungsten carbide bricks around the Demon core to reflect neutrons and push it closer to criticality. Daghlian used a screwdriver to lower a final brick, but accidentally dropped it onto the core. The brick caused a sudden increase in neutron activity, triggering a supercritical state. A blue flash of Cherenkov radiation filled the room. Daghlian quickly removed the brick, stopping the reaction, but it was too late. He received a lethal dose of radiation, estimated at 5.1 sieverts. He suffered for 25 days before succumbing to acute radiation syndrome on September 15, 1945. The second accident. 9 months later, on May 21, 1946, the Demon core claimed another victim, physicist Louis Slotin. Slotin was demonstrating a similar experiment, using a beryllium hemisphere to reflect neutrons. He held the top half with a screwdriver, carefully keeping a gap to prevent criticality. But the screwdriver slipped and the beryllium halves closed around the core. The assembly went supercritical, emitting another blue flash and a burst of radiation. Slotin received an estimated 10 sieverts of radiation. He died 9 days later, on May 30, 1946. The term Demon core wasn't used at the time of the accidents, likely coined by Los Alamos scientists to reflect the core's deadly reputation. After 2 fatal incidents in less than a year, the core became a symbol of the risks of nuclear research. The accidents exposed the lack of safety protocols in early nuclear experiments. The core's fate. After Slotin's death, the Demon core was deemed too dangerous for further experiments. In 1946, it was melted down and repurposed for other uses, likely in other bomb cores. Its exact fate remains classified, but it was never used in a weapon. The Demon core's story is a sobering reminder of the power and peril of nuclear science. Harry Daghlian and Louis Slotin paid the ultimate price for pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Their deaths weren't in vain. They paved the way for safer nuclear research that continues to shape our world. If you found this dive into the Demon core fascinating, give us a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.